Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the fastest Tesla Roadster in Southwest Florida. To achieve peak performance, you'll need to focus on several key areas. We'll cover essential modifications, from power enhancements to aerodynamic improvements, ensuring your Roadster dominates the local scene. Get ready to transform your electric dream machine into a true speed demon, leaving others in your dust. Let's dive into the details. To truly unleash your Roadster's potential, consider a high-performance battery pack. This upgrade provides a significant boost in power, crucial for rapid acceleration. Next, focus on the motor and inverter. Enhanced versions deliver superior torque and horsepower, translating directly to faster speeds. Finally, a specialized cooling system is vital to maintain optimal operating temperatures, especially during those intense, high-speed runs. These upgrades are foundational for a record-breaking Roadster. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying these tips on making your Roadster the fastest, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, if you're thinking about how to manage all the money you'll save by not buying gas, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in achieving top speeds. A custom body kit can significantly reduce drag and generate essential downforce, keeping your Roadster planted. For superior handling, a performance suspension system is a must, allowing for precise control at high speeds. Don't overlook your tires. Specialized racing tires provide maximum grip and traction, ensuring every bit of power translates to forward motion. These elements combine for an unbeatable driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.